Hyperbola construction method 1. Let's start with the intersecting arcs method to construct the hyperbola, having a distance between foci of 80 mm and a distance between vertices of 60 mm. First, draw the principal axis, AB, and mark its midpoint, O. Next, position the foci, F1 and F2, on AB, such that the distance between them, F1-F2, equals 80 mm. Also, mark the vertices, V1 and V2, on AB, such that the distance between them, V1-V2, equals 60 mm. Ensure symmetry about the midpoint, O. Then, mark several points at convenient, not necessarily equal, intervals along AF1, for example, 3 points, and label them accordingly, as shown. Now, using F1 and F2 as centers, and with radii equal to distances, V11, V12, V13, draw arcs to provide guides for plotting the final curve. Similarly, using radii, V21, V22, V23, draw arcs from F1 and F2 to intersect the previous arcs. Finally, join all the intersection points with a smooth curve to form the two branches of the hyperbola. This method is a clear and reliable technique for constructing a hyperbola when the foci and vertices are known. It provides accurate results using simple tools, making it ideal for both learning and practical applications. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.